Stop. Before you cancel your Italian residency, before you pack your bags, and before you tell your friends you're done with Italian taxes, listen closely. You think you've left. You think you've notified the town hall, you've told your landlord, and you moved your new life to Dubai, Switzerland, or back to the US. You are wrong. There is a terrifying hidden provision of the Italian tax code, one that immigration lawyers and moving companies never tell you about, that allows the Italian residency to reach across countries, across time zones, across years to seize your global income. They can claim you as a tax resident long after you left Italy. And this is not just about unnoted, it's about financial hunting. At the Studio Rigo, we don't just manage taxes, we manage escape routes. In this video, we are discussing the single biggest, most financially devastating risk for every expat who moves away from Italy. We will show exactly the 3 simple paper mistakes that keep you chained to the Italian tax system forever. This video is your blueprint for a clean, final, complete financial secure exit from Italy. You know, most countries define tax residency in a very simple way. If you spend more than 103 days here, you're a tax resident. Italy is slightly different. Italy operates with a triple lock system, and you must cut all 3 chains to escape. The revenue agency doesn't care about your plane ticket. They care about the 3 pieces of paper that grant them perpetual power over your global wealth. Italian tax law, Italian rules in general, consider you a tax resident if, for the majority of the year, you belong to Article 2 of the TOR definition. If you're registered in one of the 3 places, such as the registry trap given by the Comune, the Anagrafe, or the legal trap, the Domicile, known as your main center of business or affairs, or simply the emotional trap, the residence, where your main place of living, family, and social lies. Crucially, only one of these 3 must be true to make you a resident. If this video helped you even a little bit, make sure you hit subscribe. We've got a lot more coming. And before you book a one-on-one session with us or you hire us for any tax-related service, take a moment to check our digital store. We've built a complete collection of guides, masterclasses, templates that already solve more than 80% of the real-world tax questions expats face in Italy. You will find everything directly in our store. The link is right below in the description. So, imagine Lisa, a highly successful US expat. She's a consultant. In December 2024, she moves to Portugal, establishing herself as a tax resident there to enjoy the non-habitual resident NHR regime. A global income, let's say, is 500,000, $500,000. What is her mistake? She canceled her Anagrafe registration, so we're talking about the registry trap, but she still owns an apartment in Rome, and she keeps her Italian bank account open for utility payments, such as the Domicile trap, and also she visits Italy for 10 days every month, the residency trap here. So years later, the Agenzia delle Entrate simply cross-checks its database and finds the Italian property, the Italian bank account, the flight data showing a frequent returns back and forth. The agency thinks, you know what? You maintain your center of economic affairs, domicile, in Italy. Therefore, you were a tax resident for 2025, 2026, and 2027. What's the penalty? The agency demands full Italian taxes on Lisa's 500,000 global income for 3 years, plus penalties and interest. This single incorrect paper mistake can lead to a tax bill reaching over 600,000. And you know what? Lisa paid taxes in Portugal thinking she was safe. Now she's paying Italy again and facing a massive legal battle that makes her Portugal NHR completely useless. What can we do for you? What's the escape plan? Well, you must cut the chains in the correct, verifiable order. We don't just tell you to leave. We create the paper trail of no residency. Number 1, we check the Anagrafe exit. You have to file the official communication of immigration to the AIRE registry on time, for example. Then you have to pay attention on number 2, the domicile scrap. You have to close all non-essential Italian financial ties, sell your property, or if you keep it, rent it out, make and move your main economic ties, such as bank accounts, company directors, out of Italy. And then take care of number 3, the residency shift. Document your new center of personal interest, join a gym, register your car, get your local doctor, and most importantly, keep flight records and bills proving your new life is elsewhere. This is not just about living, it's about proving you left to the only people who matter, the Italian tax collectors. You know, the Italian tax code gives the revenue agency incredible long-lasting power. The single most common and costly mistake made by departing expats is confusing legal residency, the Anagrafe, with tax residency, you know, the 3-lock system we were just describing here. Your exit strategy must be a bulletproof process, orchestrated by not a lawyer, but a tax expert, not a moving exercise run by emotion. We provide the certified proof that the black hole in the Italian tax code is finally closed for you. So, are you planning an exit from Italy, or have you already left and you worry about this ghost residency? The limitations may run for years. The clock is ticking. Don't let a small overlooked paper trail ruin your financial future.
At Studio Rigo, we provide tax and strategic guidance for those navigating international complexity with significant interests in Italy. We work quietly, precisely, and always with the long term in mind. If you expect nothing less than clarity and control, you'll know where to find us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.